Good morning, guys. Michael. Well, it is a little bigger in there, you're right. So we are headed out. Hi, good morning. We're headed out to breakfast. They have breakfast on site. Maybe we'll eat there today. I mean tomorrow, but for today we're headed out. Michael's in the back. Today adventure is unbelievable. Today's adventures includes ATVs and the rainforest. So you guys will be joining us. Michael, how are you feeling this morning?
Yes, I'm feeling awesome.
Please don't talk like that.
What did I say?
I'm feeling awesome. So yeah, guys, that's what's on our agenda for today. You make me so sick. You really do. Can you unlock the door? It's very hot. We will show you guys the breakfast setup they have and everything. Probably, the sun is, and everything probably tomorrow. Because we are going to go out to breakfast today and then begin to go to the rainforest. It is 8:56 this morning. And we out here early with it. When me and Mike on vacation, we be ready to be out here in these streets. I don't know how I got cut off, but me and Michael, we have the exact same travel language. So that is so important when you're traveling with your spouse and others. But me and Mike, we be out here in these streets ready to get in the world ASAP. So yeah, so we will be wearing this. I wore this to the Bahamas years ago. It was like a one-piece cover-up. It really wasn't covering up anything. But in this case, I'm wearing it as a top and I have on biker shorts. I'm just gonna swap my shirt out when it's time to go to the ATVs and keep the tights on. So that's what we doing. Michael is inside of the hotel getting, what did he say he forgot? His AirPods, I think. I don't remember. But yeah, a lot of people was actually in there cooking breakfast or whatever. So yeah, that's what's going on, guys. So I'll catch you guys later. I gotta let this charge up. So next clip will be breakfast. I want to show you guys just how tight all of the parking is. Look at this. I hate it. It's so hard finding parking right here. It's ugh. Let us see these mountains. Look at this, y'all. Oh my God.
Oh, the servers up there. I'm not getting closer to this shit.
Scare off.
Yeah. Shan, look at this shit.
Oh my God. Look at that.
I'm scared to get closer to the damn rail.
Let me see the phone, boy.
Hey, make sure y'all report my son game, please.
Tell we'll call him back at the rainforest.
Huh? I don't know. Y'all can record. Y'all can watch on TV and record on TV.
Like, see if you can see that smoke.
Y'all see that? Y'all see that smoke? Y'all
Can you
see
see
y'all see the smoke or fog, whatever the hell it's gonna be?
Can you see the fog up there?
Oh wow! I need to go to Puerto Rico. Hey, Shane, you need to set it up now, then, and see if we can watch it.
But y'all should be able to stream it on the TV, right?
You can't. You gonna think you'll be able to stream it? That was brutal, going up in that tower. We went all the way up there, y'all. It's beautiful though. Very beautiful. Huh? Oh, look at it. We finally made it. I'm swimming. Y'all, we made it. That shit was brutal. Let me show y'all the view. Mike, do me a favor. Can you get my bag and stuff? I'm gonna stay up here. Well, let's go down there. Then let's go down. Look at this. I got on these swim shoes. I should have bought my sneakers and then changed. Yeah, it is.
Let's go back. That's what I'm battle with.
I ain't going all the way over. We could get right in front of it. Just be careful walking. That's how you what?
Oh, your phone away.
Getting ready to get on these ATVs. My first time. Michael been on it before, but this is my first time driving anything outside of a car. Mike, are you excited or are you scared? Oh, shit. the phone. So it has been raining all morning and night. So it is wet outside. So this is our outside shower. Good morning, guys. A little switcheroo with the texture of hair. So we are actually about to have breakfast, and yeah, hopefully we can make it to the beach. But this is the look for today. Me and Michael is actually matching today. So yes, he just went to go and get my shoes. So yeah, see Michael's outfit. Twinsies. Unless you want to eat an omelet.
It's up to you.
I ain't even move for this. I'm gonna tell her then. Okay. Well, where are we gonna eat? Are you gonna go somewhere else and eat?
Yeah, I'll go somewhere.
I want to take a picture of us outside, but it's so wet. We decided not to eat breakfast. The menu wasn't up to par this morning. We went for omelets, so we are headed out. Check it out.
You was coming over, that would be a problem. If our friends knew undercover love and they would try to solve it, yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. And I know that when you come along, I'll be sure. If it's wrong, then tell me that I'm wrong. I don't care. It makes me happy. And if you're happy, then let's be happy. Then let's be happy. Yeah, me and you.